How to turn on Peek a Peek on Snapchat. Launch a Snapchat application on your device. Enter to sign into your account, and then you will get access to this camera page of a Snapchat. Now select Bitmoji icon at top left corner or top left corner of the screen, and here you will reach on the home feed of or profile feed of your Snapchat. So you will get the option of a Snapchat Plus. You need to open it. When you scroll down, here you can easily locate Peek or Peek feature on Snapchat. So this is the feature on Snapchat. Whenever any of your friends do half swipe on your chat, then you will easily get notified about who have swiped your chats. So when you turn on, you can easily see when a friend half swipes into a chat. But unfortunately, for a normal Snapchat user, this feature is not available. You must be a Snapchat Plus subscriber, then only you will be able to enable this kind of feature on your Snapchat and see when a friend half swipes into a chat. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.